Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
4 hours. As the USDA notes in keeping food safe during an emergency, your refrigerator will keep food safe for up to 4 hours during a power outage. Keep the door closed as much as possible. Discard refrigerated perishable foods such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and leftovers after 4 hours without power.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Insufficient space can overheat the compressor, causing the fridge to shut down. Test the compressor by unplugging the fridge for about 2 hours, then plugging it back in. If the compressor starts up, chances are something is making it overheat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you are going to be away for a month or more, or will be placing the unit in temperature-controlled storage, we recommend the following. Remove food and turn off the circuit breaker, or fuse, or unplug the cord from wall receptacle. Turn the ice maker off. Turn off the water supply to the refrigerator.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.